So you might be trying to figure out how you can go through and basically factory reset your iPhone 17e. Now doing this is actually very basic and it really does not take too much time at all. So to get started, what you're first going to want to do is you want to go ahead and make your way over into your settings application. So come right into settings, and then what you're going to want to do is you want to swipe down until you find this general settings option, which is right over here. So tap on general, and then what we're going to do is scroll all the way down until we find this transfer or reset iPhone panel that's right over here. So tap on transfer or reset iPhone, and then you're going to see this option right over here that says erase all content and settings. So now what you're going to do is tap on erase all content and settings, and it's going to tell you if you want to erase this iPhone or backup or whatever this case is. So what you can do here is you can click not now, and then, or you should probably click continue. If you want to delete, click on erase this iPhone, and then you're going to be able to go through and type in your passcode for this iPhone. It's going to start backing up if you want to. Instead, you could just click skip backup. It's going to ask you and require you to type in the passcode of your Apple ID. So type in that passcode of your Apple ID or that password, and then what's going to happen is it's going to start backing up your information, and that is basically all you're going to have to do there. So now once your passcode goes through, it should go through and just start resetting your iPhone just like this, and then you'll be good to go, and then your iPhone 17e will be reset. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly, everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.